TGIF, happy Friday, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone healthcare work from home job lead for you. Of course, the links, if you're interested in putting that application in, are in the YouTube description box below this video, but we'll keep today's video short, sweet, and to the point. The healthcare company CareCentix is hiring a document management coordinator. Now, this is remote for my United States folks only. They are looking for somebody to work a little bit of an off shift. They're looking for someone to work Monday through Friday, 11:30 a.m. to 8 p.m., I do believe. They are paying anywhere from $16.35 an hour all the way up to $20 an hour. But this is a non-phone position. You're going to accurately and timely prepare documents and correspondence for the appropriate contract and service type. You'll also have to proofread that correspondence. You'll be processing manual and automated approval and denial letters as appropriate under contractual requirements. You'll proof each letter to ensure the quality and accuracy of each letter prior to printing and processing for mailing and delivery. You'll assist in the audit process as requested. You'll also, at the direction of management, assist departments with project support, and you'll review and adhere to all company policies and processes in the employee handbook. Now, of course, this does not require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. They do want somebody who has at least 1 year of work experience in some kind of clerical support in a healthcare-related organization, someone who is great at word processing and proficient using Microsoft Word and has great data entry skills. You need to be organized, have great listening and communication skills, great attention to detail because you'll need those proofreading skills to make sure there are no errors in those letters that go out. Now, on top of the pay of $16 to $20 an hour, they also offer bonus incentives and, of course, a standard benefit package that includes health, dental, vision, paid time off, and 401k. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.